Hey, it's H here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for S&P 500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide target and invalidation levels for the presented counts. Let's get started. Again, looking at only this lower time frame today, as nothing has much changed since the last coverage. So at least on a higher time frame, let's take a look what has happened. So I'm still thinking this structure from these lows as a 1, 2, 3, 4 and possibly 5 coming up. Now, of course, this could be an ABC finishing something here, and then we would have another set of structures here. But again, I'm thinking that only when we are going to be invalidating this wave 1 here. Otherwise, my bias is still to the higher side, as we did get this third wave above the 1.618 extension of this wave 1, which is more likely to create this 5-way structure and not just an ABC. Here we would be looking at for the wave 4 here, and for that I'm looking at A wave, B wave and now C wave. C wave is possible that is already ended, and as it has gone to the 0.618 extension for the C wave of the A wave here. Now again, these are really rare, they're running flats, and therefore I am having a possible thought of having this just as one or an A wave. So again, if we are bringing the A wave into this possibility, we could be having this larger structure here, this pink micro structure or micro degree as an W, X and Y. At this point we would be looking for 3-way structure here instead of the 5-wave structure, at which we would be looking at this ABC count. Okay. Now this definitely looks like some kind of 5-way structure. We did have some kind of bullish divergence here on the bottom, giving us some kind of a bullish move upwards. At this point we have come down to the golden pocket with some kind of some structural support here, not much, but again it could be enough to let us go down more. Where would we be looking at this? Around these areas. So 1.618 would get us all the way down here. Now the invalidation for this would be really close, and it is definitely not my liking. If we are getting this low, it is more likely that this indeed was some other structure. I'm still thinking that we could be taking out these lows and getting ourselves into back to this previous wave 4 area of this third wave. Again, that is definitely one area to be looking out for, this one here. At that point we are below the 38.2 retracements, or between the 38.2 and 0.5 retracements of the third wave, which is still very likely area. Again, we would be here at the 1-to-1 extension for this ABC or WXY, but we'll see how it turns out to be. If we are looking for that C wave, we would have that area of interest of that 1-to-1 extension closer here, which is why I'm more looking at the possibility of this being an X wave rather than the B wave here. So yeah, I'm still looking for lower here and then higher. I'm not sure how long this could take, maybe a day or two before looking for higher prices to complete this fifth. If we are indeed breaking these lows of the previous 4 here, then we're going to most likely just fall over, and this is something else. But this is still my local bias and what I'm looking at. But that is again all my ideas for today, and yeah, link to my Discord server in the description below, and thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye.